So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the turn signal light in the front of your KIA Sportage. This one happens to be a 2018. It's pretty easy to do. I'll show you how to do it. Let's get going. So if you come around to the back side of the headlight, here is where the turn signal bulb is located. It's a twist bulb, so you pull it out like that. So once you get the bulb out, just kind of push it a little bit, twist it, and get a replacement bulb. Twist it, give it a tug, make sure it's locked into place. So you're gonna notice some notches on the back side of the headlight bulb socket. It's gonna make sure it's lined up with the notches in here. You're gonna kind of twist it, make sure it's locked in place, give it a little tug, and that should be it. Let's test it out. And that's it, we're all set. What I'll do in the description of the video is I'll put a link to the turn signal bulb over on Amazon, so you can purchase them right off of Amazon. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel.